Good morning, you guys. Good morning, you guys. It's a brand new week. It's Monday today, and welcome to a day in the life of SparkDriver, you guys. It's early in the morning, and I just received my first order. $21 going 6.9 miles, and it's three drops. So, you guys, I'm waiting for them to bring it out. Waiting for them to bring it out, and I am ready for the day. I'm ready, even though I'm not gonna work for the whole entire day because I have my hair appointment at 2:30. So yeah, yes, yeah. So I'm work till 2:30, like 2 o'clock, and I'm done. Okay, first drop off, y'all. First drop off. Let's go drop it off. Okay, I'm going to drop this one. They're waiting for me on the door. Okay, let's see a nice drop off, y'all. Nice drop off. Got a shopping order, you guys. $15 going 3 miles, and I'm only shopping for 8 items. So, you guys, let's go shopping. Let's go. Let's go. It's been a long time I don't do passcode orders, you guys. Been long time, like few weeks. And this order over here, it requires to have passcode. So I am here already, so let's go drop this order, y'all. Let's go drop this order. Can I take this on one trip? Yes or no? Let me try. I did it one trip. So let's know. Okay, y'all, let me knock for the third time. If they don't come open, then I'm gonna take it back because I've been here for. And let me call them too. Okay, y'all, she finally came to the door. She said something, I didn't hear it. I think she was like, were you here for a long time? Were you here for a long time? I said, yeah. And she said some other stuff, I didn't hear it, so. Okay, let's go back, yeah. Let's go back to get our third order. It's kind of cold today. Just got my third order, you guys. $20 going 6 miles. It's going 6 miles, and it's 3 drop off. I am almost at Walmart, and yeah, let's go. Yeah, so I ended up canceling my order because they canceled 2 of my order, so the whole amount was $20, and I only was left with $11. I was like, no, I'm not taking it, so I ended up canceling it. So let's wait for another one, y'all. Let's wait for another one. Just got another order, you guys. $11. I'm only going to shop for 1 item, so let's go, and it's going 3 miles. Let's go, only shopping for 1 item. Okay, this person is getting 2. Ouch. 2 of this. Okay, let's go check out. Oh, I just dropped my order over there. I handed it to her. So let's go back and go get another more orders. I just received, you guys, a shopping order, $21, and it's going 1 mile, and I have to shop for 43 items. And no, thank you. I feel like those are a lot too much to shop for $21. So at least pay me 30 something, 35. I would take that. $30 maybe, you know, not 21. Okay, yo, I just received an order, shopping order, $31, and we're shopping for 2 people. It's going 10 miles. So one person I'm shopping for 4 items, and the other one 14 items. So let's go shop it. It's kind of slow, so I saw $31. I'm like, yeah, let's go. I've been sitting in this car for too long. So let me go shop this order, y'all. Let's go. I think I'm gonna see you guys once I'm done shopping. All done. That's A, and this is B here. This is B. Okay, y'all. Let's go deliver this. So I think they all live in the same area, because it's showing for the first customer, for the first drop off, I am going 10 miles, and it's showing 12 minutes. So I guess it's gonna be highway, and they all live in the same area, because the total of the miles was 10 miles, and the first customer is saying 10 miles. So let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm here. Ooh, look at that. So since I have 2 orders, it's asking me to scan one of the items that I shopped. So let me scan this one. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So this order, they lied about the miles. So this last drop off, I am going 3 miles, which they gave me 7 minutes more. So the 10 miles that I came plus this 3 miles is 13 miles. But it's alright. It was $31. It's still worth it. So let's go drop it. Let's go drop it, y'all. Okay, y'all. I am here with the second drop off. Right, I'm going to scan one of the items also as well. So let me scan here. So about the scanning part, you only scan it when you're shopping for 2 people, yeah. That's when the scanning that's when you do the scanning stuff. other than that, we don't scare. Okay. She said leave it as close to the door. Yo, I need to wake up. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. When I'm driving like this. Yes, I said wake up. I need to wake up. So we just got another order, you guys. Shopping order, $15, going 2.3 miles. I'm only going to shop 4 items. 4 items is $15 only. So right now it's 12, you guys, 12 o'clock. So I only have 2 more hours to work. And right now we're sitting on, if I'm done with this order that they just gave me right now, we're gonna be on $94. So yeah, $94. Let's go shop for this order, y'all. So there was no on my interest, the one that I always use. We don't have cards. So since I'm only going to shop for few items, just going like that. And the check is only small items. You guys, after my last order, it got super slow. Like I have been here for some minute now. So, and it's 1:37 right now. So I want to finish my shift over here because I told you guys I have to go to get my hair done, and I don't think I'm gonna come back until tomorrow. Anyway, I made $94, you guys. $94. Made $94, you guys, in the morning. Wow, that's very good. So right now I'm going home to get ready and go, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to share. All right, you guys, I love you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.